Here she is. Our first F-250 being vinyl wrapped in sandstorm. Customer is not gonna like that part. Oh, and we got an air bubble. Nice. I'm currently sitting in my 2018 F-150, and based off of the title, guys, we're gonna do a little bit of interior designing, a little redesign going on here, guys. I'm gonna be vinyl wrapping some trims and accents on the interior F-150. We have these vent trim covers that I purchased a while ago, and as you guys can tell, I kind of went for the subtle black wood grain look. Same goes for my door handles. Got a little scuffed up. I just got these recently, these little inserts. The button switches, got this trim cover over here. I even got a steering wheel trim cover. This being an XL, I don't have a center console, guys, so I got a jump seat, and my trim piece goes all the way down there. Same goes for there, and obviously that door as well. So I'm gonna pop off as many of the trim cover pieces that I can, especially these ones over here, and I'm going to vinyl wrap it to match the outside of the truck. But I bought these to make the truck, spruce it up, make it look like an XLT, which it's not, but we are going from a nice subtle look to, I really want these trims to pop out. Guys, we'll go ahead and start off by removing my radio trim set here in order to access my two vent trims here. Vinyl wrap that, and then I'm gonna have to get my heat gun to pop off all the double-sided tape for that door handle trim, and I'm gonna leave the window button switch thing alone. Forget it, that's fine. As you can see, we removed the radio trim, the bezel over here, and look at that tiny little display screen, guys. That is embarrassing. We got to replace this at some point. But now, in order to access these vent trims, step one, we need to pop off this little storage area space above it. It's just pressure clips, as you guys can see, 3 there. Use the trim removal tools. Then you will have access to 2, they're right here, 1 and 2 bolts. Once you remove those, and you have to use some pressure here, grab onto the radio bezel and just pull, guys. So here it is. You just pull from the top, guys. Clip, 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 and then just work your way down. A couple clips down here, and then you're gonna have 4 plugs. So don't just tear it out, guys. You're gonna have 4 plugs here, 2 big ones, I'm assuming for the whole air con, whatnot, and then these 2 at top, which are for the buttons. And that is it. Radio bezel free. For this, all we gotta do is just pry it down. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. There we go. That's it. There's my 12 volt. I did forget to mention, you do have to pop off this bottom little trim piece for your XLs out there. But all it is one tiny little small bolt in the footwell you have to access. Pop that off, and there we go. And there we have it, guys. All of our trim covers have been vinyl wrapped and installed back on the truck, guys. It looks absolutely beautiful to have everything just paint matched with the outside of the truck. Not only that, Our back doors are nice and finished too. Let's go ahead and take a quick. Oh yeah. I am happy with how everything came out. Look at that. Turn my light off. Oh yeah. Look at that, guys. Look at that, guys. That's what happens. Gotta add some more adhesive to that. Today's video, we got the F-150 and we're in the garage. Again, guys, we're doing more stuff to it. Never ends. Anywho, as you guys can tell, this is our canvas. We are using the tailgates of my F-150. And as you guys all probably know, I did rewrap it in typical fashion. We didn't do the cab or the roof. I know. No good. Let's take a closer look at my terrible wrap job. Alright guys, I'm about to put my work on blast here just for you guys. A little lesson that I learned the hard way. Hopefully you guys will learn and not repeat this, but you guys notice some pretty big air bubbles. That is because the previous wrap that I had on this truck had left a little bit of adhesive residue. Now, I did not properly prep the surface, guys. You got to do the proper prepping process, guys, the PPP. I didn't do that. I got lazy because, well, I noticed it in this section of the tailgate and I knew that we were gonna slap that piece on, so I didn't really bother putting some effort into prepping it. But there you have it, guys. Little lesson for you: if you're not gonna do that, you're gonna end up with some bubbles. So first things first, guys, we gotta clean up the area in which we're about to wrap. Now this thing, installation is super easy. It's just double-sided tape all around here. Obviously, I'm gonna clean it first because it's very dirty. Here's what we're going to be using: Scotch Mount Extreme Indoor and Outdoor. That's important, guys. Make sure it says outdoor because obviously it's gonna be outdoors. There we go. We cleaned up the back of the panel. It's still dirty on the inside. I should have cleaned everything, but that's okay. We used double-sided tape. Remember, this is for outdoor use, and pretty much just cut along the edge. The important part here is that it's going all around, bordering the panel piece. And previously I had an issue where one end up here would open up, didn't glue enough, and so dirt and everything got in here, which is why it's dirty on the inside. But we reinforced it, and now we're gonna go ahead, throw it on there. You guys can see trims finally installed on the F-150, and we got these bad boys color matching with the exterior, as you guys can see above, up on my hood. If you can see that on my hood, we're color matching. Finally, guys, it's beautiful. I love it. It's a brand new truck. At least it feels that way. I'm gonna have to redo that one because you guys can probably already see I messed up on these lines over here. I thought it would look good. It doesn't. I'm gonna keep it just this way like that. But other than that, guys, I'm extremely happy with how everything turned out, man. Love it. Love these accents. Even the back doors. It's beautiful. With that, guys, I implore you, continue or start vinyl wrapping. It's fun sometimes. More importantly, the end result is something from you're done by your hands, guys. That's a big deal for me. I made it a life goal of mine right now for this month of December to upload as many videos as I humanly can. Oh, what's in there? I kind of want to go down there. It looks fun. I'm getting my 2018 basic fleet truck appraised because we all know what's going on with used cars and brand new cars and their markups and whatnot and inflation. And so I'm curious, what am I gonna get for my base XL truck? A truck made for the fleets, for companies to buy in the hundreds. So that'd be interesting, especially with all these mods on. We'll see what the, I don't know if that's gonna hurt me or if that's gonna improve my standings. But anywho, guys, appreciate you all joining me in today's video. Look at that, that's my boy. Peace and take care, guys. I gotta get back to driving. And there's my future right there, guys. There's my future. Peep that. I will work hard till I can obtain that. But by then, we'll probably be on a brand new model. It'll probably be electric and ugly.